How to save a PDF file in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you this and also how to make it a efficient file size so it isn't too large. And in order to do that, we take our file and we go up here where it says file in this menu, and we can either save it as a copy or just save as. You can choose your location, name it, and also we want to choose the file type to be PDF, obviously. Now we just click on save and this window will appear. And the way we make this more efficient and not so big as a file, we under here where it says Adobe PDF preset, instead of the default Illustrator preset, you want to choose smallest file size like this, and maybe you want to preserve the Illustrator editing capabilities if you want to edit this later on. And here where it says compression, you just up here where it says bicubic downsampling 2, we go to 300, and down here as well 300. After that we choose image quality to be either medium or high for a decent quality PDF. Let's go with high. And once we do all this, we can also save it as a preset so we don't have to type this in every time we save a PDF. You just click on this and you save your preset, click OK, and after all this is done, we just click on save PDF and it will save it to the desired location. And that's how you save a PDF file in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.